Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Sugar Kawai Sato. I know you wanna see my face, but soon I will do cooking video with my face. With my face. What I mean is, you can see my face while cooking. I move my camera and I need something camera hanger, like a hanger, or I'm gonna hang my phone so you can see my face and while cooking. But actually I'm not really don't like to show my face while I'm cooking, because you can see my face is really craving with the food while I'm cooking, and my saliva is going down after I'm looking my cooking. Anyways, it's too long na my introduction. So I'm here again to give you another recipe, and our recipe for today is chicken katsu! Yay! Yeah, it's a chicken katsu. You know why I'm so alive and I'm so energetic today? Because I got to sleep. I got 5 hours sleep today. So I'm here to give you another chicken recipe. So let's go and let's start cooking and get and prepare our ingredients for today. Let's go! So guys, here's our ingredients. We need a breast chicken without bone. Breast chicken is, I always love breast chicken, and because it's too easy to cook and it's so yummy and it's so healthy. That's why I don't have pork today. So next time I will cook pork tonkatsu. But from now I'm gonna cook chicken katsu. So all you need is breast chicken, 2 eggs, breadings, flour, potato for our side dish. We're gonna put some French fries potato, and all-purpose salt and pepper. And then if you don't have tonkatsu sauce, you can use ketchup and soyu, okay, for a change. If you don't have anything, you don't have this Japanese sauce for tonkatsu, you can use this also for chicken katsu. So let's start cooking, guys. First of all, we're gonna chop our chicken in the thin small pieces in the strip cut with blade. Okay, cut it look at that one. There's no meat. Yeah, it's like that, guys. Okay, it's like that. You can see. I'm gonna cut it slide cut. Okay, you can see how I cut it. Slide cut, guys. Okay. Okay. Then okay. You know guys, why I always love chicken? Because chicken is healthy and really easy to cook and so juicy. Yeah, breast chicken is the most I love. And that skin, wow, what a skin, guys. And shout out to Maxel Vlogs. Because of you, I'm so energetic today. Because you know guys, Maxel and me is always talking, and we really love talking. Even though I'm lack of sleep, we're always talking and talking, but we don't know what we are talking. And guys, like pork chop, but it's not a pork chop, it's chicken katsu. Okay. Another Japanese chicken recipe for you guys, because I know everyone's love chicken and it's yummy and healthy. So let's cut the other. My knife is not sharp anymore because that's too thick. So we need to press that down like that. And you know, guys, what I'm cutting it because my camera, so you can see how I'm cutting the chicken. Okay, forgive me for doing this one. Okay, cutting here in my gas stove. Okay, guys, so I'll show you how did I cut. Oh my god. Here, guys, see, as you can see, wow, it's another yummy katsudon. So we're gonna put salt and pepper. Okay, let's put salt and pepper. Okay, we're gonna put salt, pepper, all purpose of salt, pepper, and lira ajinomoto side by side. We're gonna marinate this, guys, for at least 20 minutes because, or 30 minutes maybe, because I'm gonna take a shower first while we're waiting. So I know, guys, you love chicken, and this is, I'm always thinking my viewers will love chicken, and I know it's easy to cook and yummy because I'm a chicken lover. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna marinate then later. More this. Yeah. See, guys, just marinate this. Forgive my twirly tongue because my tongue is always twirling. We're gonna marinate this, okay, for at least 30 minutes because I'll take a shower first. So see you later. Let's go. So, guys, I'm back. So let's prepare our, oh my god, our ingredients. You need plastic bag, guys. Easy to use it while cooking. And you know what I'm going to put here. We're gonna put our flour flour here. Okay, less cleaning. Okay, let's put less cleaning, guys, because I'm lazy and I'm tired cleaning, so I think this is a good idea. This is a good idea. You can use this idea when you're doing camping, or if you're outside the house and you don't have plate, just you need a plastic bag. So this is the flour. So second are breadcrumbs. Okay, did I say breadcrumbs a while ago when I'm introducing the ingredients? Honestly, guys, my tummy is aching. My tummy is hurt. I don't know why. So I'm gonna put the breadings here. Okay, that one. Breadings and flour and our eggs. And of course, sauce is all later. Sauce we can use that later because we're gonna go back for 15 or 30 minutes. I'm just preparing this. So after I take a bath, we're gonna fry our chicken katsu. Okay. So before I go, I'm gonna cut a potato. So we're gonna make French fries for side dish. Okay. So I'll cut it later. Wait. And guys, this is the potato I cut because we're gonna make a side dish French fries. I think it's big. I don't know how to cut, but I think it's okay. It's only a side dish, so never mind what the size I make. And so later we're gonna use this. So we'll be back again. This is our side dish potato French fries. Guys, another side dish. We're gonna use cabbage. So you will cut this, but you don't need to cut. Just use peeler. Okay, you can see, guys. Just use peeler so you can make a small of cabbage. Okay. This is easy and so yummy, guys. For our side dish, potato and my goodness, potato and cabbage. Okay, I think, guys, much better knife. I just cut it in the knife because I'm lazy, but chonga na eh. I need to cut it much nice and much faster. So guys, I'm back, but it's sad to say I'm not yet taking a bath. I'm still not yet taking a bath because I think I'm gonna take a bath after I cook because I'm gonna smell like oil again and abra wa mo ne dami ra para ne. Tapos ako nagchokarsa. And then we're gonna prepare our egg. Let's prepare our egg, okay? Let's 2 eggs. Let's prepare our 2 eggs. Okay. Our 2 eggs. Okay, guys. This is our 2 eggs. And we're gonna start cooking. Let's turn on heat. And this is our preparation for the food. There, flour and egg and breading. So you're gonna put the chicken here first. Okay. We're gonna put the less dirty. Okay, less cleaning. So that one. Then you put the eggs, and it's just so easy. But make sure your hands clean. Okay, just like that. Okay. Yeah, just like that, guys. Okay. We'll do the same thing to all our chicken. Okay. We're gonna continue what we're doing. We're gonna put flour first. See, it's clean. It's clean to do this. Okay. There's no spilling. There's no endless cleaning. Right? Much easier. And if you will not if you can't use this all, you can save it for later or for tomorrow. Save cleaning, and you can still use this. You will keep easy to keep the flour and the breadings. See, it's clean. There's no dirty. Okay, guys. That's another tips to all the lazy out there. Okay, see. And last piece. Okay, our last piece. I'm just gonna cook 6 pieces, guys, because too much is not good if you cook too much, because they will get cold and it's not crunchy anymore if you cook all. If you will eat, you just cook. I think much better. And then, okay, we're gonna cook it already. And let's start cooking. So here's our oil, and all it looks like you see, it's so clean and it's so oh my god. So guys, you see, it's so clean and it's so yummy and it's so clean. And yeah, I love dirty kitchen, no. We need to stay clean our kitchen, because clean is so it's so what it's much better, and you feel you're so feel good while cooking because it's all clean. I hate lots of oiling flying over there. So we're gonna put our fire in, I think, medium heat, okay? So, yung mga everything, the others you didn't use, you can keep it later because I have more chicken breast. I marinate lot of chicken, so I'm gonna keep this and I'm gonna use this later if I will cook again. See, it's easy to clean and easy to save the other. You can save it for later. Okay, let's keep this. Guys, let's see. Oh, right. So let's see, it's easy to cook and so crunchy, guys. See, guys. It's so yummy. And we'll be back later because we have more pieces to cook. So we're going back later after 5 minutes. 3 minutes. So guys, oh, see? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. And the other. We have more. Another 2 pieces, guys. And wait again, and we're back again for our third batch, okay? So guys, while we're waiting, if you don't have any tonkatsu or chicken katsudo or anything that you don't have sauce, I'll teach you how to make your own recipe sauce. Let's put 1 spoon of ketchup. Okay, 1 spoon of ketchup, and then half table of soy sauce. Okay, there guys, here we go. Our tonkatsu sauce, chicken katsu sauce. Okay, you can use this anytime you're cooking pork or chicken. Okay, if you don't have the sauce, and let's see if it tastes good, and then you're gonna put some yeah, it's yummy guys. This one is okay, tastes good and it's easy. Just make ketchup and soy sauce, it's fine. Okay, so we're gonna use this later. Guys, this is our last piece. And I already cooked the potato. I already cooked the potato, so let's prepare our rice, okay? So guys, tanan, it's cooked. So we're gonna prepare our rice. Okay, let's go. Yummy. Guys, here are chicken katsu. This is yummy and so easy. I hope you will try it, and I know you can do it because this is so simple and so yummy. And you only need is a sauce. If you don't have sauce like this, when we made the ketchup and the soy sauce, yeah, it's yummy. Try it guys and you will love it. And of course, this is the one. Wait. This is the one I made because I'm gonna eat now. See guys, this is the one chicken katsu with cabbage and potato on side dish, and of course our sauce. If you don't have any Japanese sauce, you can make and you can eat the ketchup and soy sauce. So guys, that's our food for today. I hope you will love this. It's so easy and yummy, so try it and you will love it. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy Japanese food easy recipe. And I hope you will see you again on my next vlog. Bye! Much love. Itadakimasu! Yum yum!